Good morning, I'm Dale, the insurance mechanic, coming to you from Salem, Oregon. Today I want to talk to you about renter's insurance. Rental properties have become an ever-increasing demand. Why? Because of home prices and the challenge of getting a home loan. The number of folks who are renting continues to go up. Also, with our mobile society, not everyone wants to own a home. I mean, mowing grass in your yard isn't everyone's idea of an exciting weekend.
Mow the lawn. Mow the lawn.
So folks are renting more, and the laws are becoming more renter-friendly in order to protect renters. For those of you who are renting or have had experience renting, you may have noticed that more and more landlords are requiring renters insurance. So you may be thinking, why do I need renter's insurance? Why does a landlord insist that I have renter's insurance? After all, it's not my responsibility to insure my apartment or the house if I'm just renting it. It's the landlord's, you know, the owner, the guy that owns this building that I'm renting from. So why do I need to cover my stuff? Isn't it already covered by the landlord? And if I don't want to pay the extra money to insure my stuff, can they make me get insurance? Why should I? It's none of the landlord's business, is it? There are good reasons why renter's insurance is a good idea. Let's address the reason landlords want you to get renter's insurance. Landlords are very aware of the liability factor in regards to people renting and the use of the rental facilities. People cook, they use the bathrooms and tubs, invite guests, and have general exposure that everyday life may throw at them. Landlords want the first line of protection to come from the renter. It usually is the renter that causes the bulk of damages and claims. So shouldn't renters pay for the protection? Requiring renters insurance keeps a landlord's costs down. A strictly business decision. After all, we want our rents to be low as possible, don't we? One way to keep rental costs down is to put a large burden of coverage on the renter. As an example, a renter decides to cook a romantic dinner for his wife and leaves a pot of spaghetti on the stove while watching a football game on TV and catches the kitchen on fire.
Kitchen's on fire.
It would be the renter's insurance that would be looked to cover that claim before the landlord's policy would kick in, as long as it wasn't catastrophic. So renter's insurance helps to protect the landlord. But perhaps more importantly, renter's insurance helps to protect you, your family, and your possessions. In our world of aggressive litigation where everyone is quick to sue, you will want to have the comfort of knowing if someone was to come into your apartment, trips and falls, gets injured, you have medical coverage for the injured individual. Or someone decides they like your furniture more than theirs and steals yours, there is too covered after deductible.
Let's just say I'll hold on to it.
If an event occurs that will not allow you to stay in your apartment or house because of safety reasons, insurance will pay for you to stay in alternative accommodations while your rental is being fixed. These are areas in which the landlord will not cover you. If you don't have renter's insurance and something happens, it is all on you to replace or fix, not a pretty alternative. So you see, insurance is all about helping you to maintain your lifestyle, possessions, and health. Renter's insurance is always a good idea for protection, whether protecting you against theft losses, fire, a water heater leaking, injuries on your premises, or a suit because someone did get injured on your property. Knowing you are protected goes a long way to give you ease of mind and confidence that the things that mean the most to you are protected. Besides, renter's insurance is relatively inexpensive. In most cases, the cost per month is about as much as you would pay for a couple of frappuccinos. Come on. So don't take the risk of living without renter's insurance if your landlord doesn't require the coverage. Find a competent agent and let them give you a quick cost analysis. If your landlord does require renter's insurance, it isn't just for their sake, but for yours too. Find that competent agent and let them get to work for you. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for listening. This is the Insurance Mechanic signing off, and until next time, have a blessed day.